Pixels.cool.
Welcome to you. When you open Photoshop, you'll be presented with a welcome screen a bit like this. Don't worry if yours looks a bit different, as this screen does change over time. We want to open an image and get straight to editing it, so click on Open here towards the top left. Navigate to the folder on your computer where the image you want is stored and double click on it to open it. This logo image is currently around 1200 pixels wide and over 700 pixels in height, as we can see here in the Properties panel towards the right. This is quite large to use on the web, so we're going to resize this image. Check the current zoom size here at the bottom left of the window. You can zoom in and out on a Windows computer by holding down your Alt key and rolling your mouse wheel. You can also use the zoom tool here. When this tool is selected and you right click, you'll also find a handy option to fit on screen. To resize this image, go to the Image menu and click on Image Size. And in this case, change the width to be 640. Notice that the height automatically updates so the image retains its proportions. If you ever want to deliberately squash or stretch an image, click the link icon here to break the link between the height and the width. And click on OK. As you can see, the image is now about 50% smaller. If you ever make a mistake in Photoshop, you can use the Undo feature. Just go to the Edit menu and click Undo. Menu items show you their equivalent keyboard shortcuts, so as you can see, Ctrl and Z or Z will also undo your last action. Now we need to save the new version of the logo. To do this, go to the File menu and click on Save As. If you've recently installed Photoshop, you might see this additional dialog which asks whether you prefer to save to your own computer or to Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe includes space for your files with a subscription. We'll assume you're just saving to the computer you're working on, so click Save on your computer. Give the updated image a sensible name so you can find it easily later on, and click on Save. And there you go.
Pixels.cool.